Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're decoding volume, the one indicator most traders completely ignore. But just looking at price, that's kind of like judging a restaurant by its sign out front. You're missing the most important part, what's actually happening inside. So let's dive in. See, price tells you what happened, but volume, it shows you the conviction behind that move. And that's our first big rule. A price move on heavy volume, that's the real deal. Think of it like pressing the gas pedal. That's your effort. How far the car actually goes, that's the result. And this little matrix here, it's basically your cheat sheet for reading what the market is really thinking. These guys control like 80% of the market and they leave massive footprints in the volume. You get tons of effort, but a tiny result. That crash was stopped with money, not with words. To most people, this looks like incredible strength, but trust me, it's usually a trap. The smart money, they're quietly dumping their shares onto all those excited buyers at the top. And this right here is probably the biggest, most expensive mistake anyone makes with volume. Nope, remember, every single trade has a buyer and a seller. The color just matches the price. So here's the key. Ignore the color, just look at the size of the bar and the price result. This is a huge early warning sign. If like a rocket that's suddenly running out of fuel. If price is climbing but volume is dropping, well, that trend is getting tired. Watch out. Okay, so how do you actually use all this? Let's build a simple playbook for your own charts. Following these steps gives you a solid process. It's how you'll start avoiding those common traps. Because by reading volume, you're not just looking at the ad anymore. You're seeing the real story